In Lesson 7, we saw photography burst into vibrant life with color, but while photographers were celebrating rich hues. Another innovation was brewing, one that would make waiting for photos a thing of the past. This was the dawn of instant photography. The man behind it was Edwin Land, an American scientist and inventor. In 1947, Land unveiled the Polaroid land camera, a device that could develop a photograph in under a minute. His inspiration, a simple question from his young daughter, who asked why she couldn't see a picture immediately after it was taken. Land's answer would change photography forever. Polaroid's magic came from a self-contained chemical process. Each piece of instant film was essentially a miniature darkroom, holding layers of light-sensitive material, developing agents and fixers. After pressing the shutter, the camera spread these chemicals evenly across the film, and the image began to appear before your eyes. The speed transformed photography from a delayed experience into a social event. Families could pass around freshly developed prints at gatherings. Artists could experiment and see results instantly. News photographers could deliver images faster than ever. In the 1970s and 80s, Polaroid became a cultural icon. Models like the SX70, a sleek, folding camera, made instant photography stylish and portable. The square white-bordered prints became instantly recognizable, capturing everything from vacation snapshots to Andy Warhol's artistic portraits. But instant photography was more than convenience. It was about emotion. The excitement of watching an image fade into view, the tactile feel of holding a print moments after taking it, these created a connection too. Photography that was both personal and immediate. Though the digital age would eventually challenge Polaroid's dominance, the instant format never truly disappeared. In fact, it has enjoyed a revival in recent years, proving that some photographic pleasures are timeless. Instant photography showed us that moments don't have to wait. They can be shared the second they happen. Follow and watch Lesson 9.